Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to mute a secret chat on Telegram. Whether you want some quiet time or simply stop notifications from popping up, this quick guide will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see all your conversations. Next, find your secret chat. These are the chats with end-to-end encryption, perfect for private conversations. Tap on the secret chat you want to manage. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen. Tap the chat name or the profile picture. This will open the chat settings menu. Now, in this menu, you'll see several options related to the chat. Tap on notifications. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Mute For. Tap it, and Telegram will show you a few choices for how long you want to mute the chat. You can select from options like 1 hour, 8 hours, or forever. Choose the duration that fits your needs. If you pick forever, the chat will stay silent until you manually turn notifications back on. After selecting your preferred duration, Telegram will confirm the change. That's it. You've successfully muted your secret chat. From now on, you won't get alerts from that chat unless you unmute it. And don't worry, muting a chat doesn't affect your messages or privacy. You can still open the conversation anytime and reply just like before. If you ever want to bring the sound back, simply repeat the same steps. Open the secret chat, tap the chat name, go to notifications, and pick unmute. And there you have it, quick, simple, and done in a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to watch our other Telegram tips to get the most out of your app. Thanks for watching.